Hi, good morning viewers. I hope you are well and staying safe in this global pandemic situation. As you are aware that Urban Transport News in association with Indian Association of Urban Rail and Mobility Industry had invited nominations from industry leaders and corporates for the Rail Infra and Mobility Business Digital Award 2020 from 10th May 2020 to 30th June of 2020. We have received a huge response from the domestic as well as multinational companies and industries. Leaders engaged in the railway, infrastructure and mobility industry across the world. I can understand that you are excited to know the names of winners. Yes, now your wait is over. I, Om Prakash Shah, the corporate representative, on the behalf of event organizer and supporters, excited to announce the names of the winners of the first edition of Rail Infra and Mobility Business Digital Award 2020. Before announcing the names of the winners, I would like to thank all the participants and supporters of this award. Now I am announcing the names of the winners selected for the individual category awards. Rail Business Leader of the Year award in male category goes to Mr. Rakesh Gaur, the President of Railway Kalpatru Power Transmission Limited, and the same award in the female category goes to Ms. Sophie Muchala, Managing Director Flood Controls Private Limited. The next award in Infra Business Leader of the Year goes to Mr. Ved Prakash Dudheja, Vice President Rail Land Development Authority. And the next award in the field of Mobility Business Leader of the Year goes to Mary T. Barra, Chairperson and CEO General Motors. The Urban Infra Architect of the Year award in male category goes to Mr. Janak Panchal, Junior Transport Planner, Gujarat Infrastructure Development Board. The same award in female category goes to Miss Priyanka Kumar, Urban Planner, RCEUS, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, Government of India. Next, the Railway Innovator of the Year award goes to Dr. Tansen Chaudhary, Chief Operating Officer, Flood Controls Private Limited. Next, the Transport Researcher of the Year award goes to Dr. Amudhan Walawan, Executive Director, TechShacks, India. The Young Researcher of the Year award goes to Mr. Bedi Charisma, Market Research Specialist, PT Industry, Keretapiai, Persero. Next, the Inframan of the Year award goes to Mr. Kumar Kesav, Managing Director of Uttar Pradesh Metro Rail Corporation. Next, the Infra Woman of the Year award goes to Miss Kate Spear, Vice President of Intenera Infrastructure and Concessions Inc. Now I am announcing the winners of Corporate Category Awards. Now, in the Corporate Category Award, the Mass Rapid Transit Project of the Year award goes to Metro de Madrid, Spain. The Rail Solution Provider of the Year, Instrumentation and Equipment award goes to Flood Controls Private Limited, India. The next one, the Rail Solution Provider of the Year in Electrical and Power Supply award goes to Kalpatru Power Transmission Limited, India. The Rail Solution Provider of the Year, SCP Panels and Engineering award goes to Aldecor Lamination Private Limited, India. Next, the Rail Solution Provider of the Year in Telecom Systems award goes to ABS India Private Limited, India. The Rail Solution Provider of the Year in Signaling Systems award goes to Alstom Transport India Limited, India. In this category, next, the Business Startup of the Year award goes to Lab to Market Innovations Private Limited, India. Next, the Infra Solution Provider of the Year award goes to Tarasan Logistics Solutions Limited, India. The Infra Solutions Provider of the Year award goes to Beshak International, France. The Bus Transit Project of the Year award goes to Transjakarta, Indonesia. The Green Mobility Project of the Year in Railway Sector award goes to Madhepura Electromotives Project in India. The Green Mobility Project of the Year in Urban Transport Sector award goes to Lucknow Metro Rail, India. The Shared Mobility Solution Provider of the Year award goes to Zipcar, United States. The Micro Mobility Solution Provider of the Year award goes to Yulu Bikes, India. The E-Mobility Solution Provider of the Year award goes to Renault Nissan Mitsubishi Alliance, Netherlands. The Smart Mobility App of the Year award goes to Fairtech, India. The DPR Consultant of the Year award goes to Keronotech Engineering Consultancy Private Limited, India. The Project Management Consultant of the Year award goes to Bechtel Corporation, United States. In the corporate category, the next award, the Infra Designer and Architecture of the Year award goes to James Seller, United States. The next one, the Rail and Transport Training Provider of the Year award goes to Institute of Metro and Rail Technology, India. Transport Research and Institute of the Year award goes to Transport Research Laboratory, United Kingdom. In the corporate category award, the PR Solution Provider of the Year award goes to PR Professionals, India. The Digital Solution Provider of the Year award goes to Digi Professionals, India. The Main Power Solutions Provider of the Year award goes to Main Power Group, United States. The Logistics Solution Provider of the Year award goes to XPO Logistics, United States. In last, I congratulate all winners and extend my deep gratitude to our Indian Association of Urban Rail and Mobility Industry for supporting the event as Group Associate. The next, Asis Electronics, Turkey, for supporting the event as Certificate Sponsor. Digi Professionals, India, for supporting the event as Technology Partner. PR Professionals, India, for supporting the events as PR Partners. And the Natural Energy News, India, for supporting the event as Media Partner. And thanks for your kind cooperation and participating in this Digital Award 2020. I hope you will be participating in our next edition Digital Awards onwards. Thank you for all.